Kings of Crunch Series 5 1987 Chevrolet K20 EXCALIBER. If you would like to find out the other trucks in Series 5, please hit the pause button to check them out. Here comes EXCALIBER up top of the cars. Check this one out. Whoa, incredible to have EXCALIBER in the Kings of Crunch series. A lot of graphics and design going on this truck. The wheels are red, that's very cool. Let's take even a closer look of EXCALIBER. On the back side panel it says Jerry's Weld Shop. And then check out that is awesome to see the United States Hot Rod Association sticker. Here is the front of EXCALIBER. The roof has a little red roof. And then turning it around to the other side so you get to see it. And then on the back, check out a little bit of a different bumper. It says EXCALIBER where the license plate goes. On the tailgate we get some sponsors. EXCALIBER ran from 1985 to 2013 with different drivers and teams. Back in 1989 though, Charlie Palkin was hired to be the driver of EXCALIBER. We know that Charlie Palkin went on to be a famous gravedigger driver. So that's a little bit of a background on EXCALIBER. Beautiful job of this die-cast monster truck in the Kings of Crunch series. So thank you for tuning in.